Laying large tiles is a little easier because you need little measuring and placing. They need a complete adhesive base to make sure they attach correctly. Larger tiles are stronger in general, they crack a lot less. The oldest human-made ceramics date back to at least 24,000 BC and were found in Czechoslovakia. A handle roller is super helpful for installing PVC vinyl planks. The method of skimming entails plastering with a layer of thin coat. It's usually applied to a wall with existing plaster to smooth the surface area. Vacuum holders are key to placing large tiles. When the dough is turned into noodles, the whole batch is shaped into a single, super long one that a worker wraps around a system before placing it inside a drying space. The skim plasterer will place scrim or hessian over the joints, and then skim the entire surface, ensuring that the wall appears continuous with no sign of the joints between the boards. Popular ceiling treatments range from panels, beams, and textures to trace ceiling effects. With a little creativity and attention to detail, drywall contractors can construct three-dimensional drywall ceiling accents. Decorative highlights fashioned from drywall don't have to be limited to trace ceilings. Water-based polyurethane finish is the best polyurethane for hardwood floors. By breaking a rock, you can decrease the load and make it more workable. To split such a large rock, this worker uses a hammer, chisel, and feathers. Silicone windshield and glass sealer form a tough, waterproof, durable seal that is resistant to weather, extreme temperatures, vibration, and shock. This crystal ball took a whole afternoon to cut, as it weighs 291 pounds. To prevent the saw from overheating and breaking, or damaging the material, a constant flow of liquid spills down it. Human chains like this one make a job more efficient. A double extension allows you to get to the most remote places. A diagonal herringbone brick pattern is one of the most difficult to lay. On average, French door refrigerators weigh 317 pounds, so you need to be very strong and skilled to get this technique right. Machines can never replace the skill and precision of the mason. Many of the world's significant architectural achievements were built with masonry. When cutting down a whole tree, you must be careful with your surroundings and make sure it won't fall into any building. At Kashgar, Xinjiang, yogurt shaved ice is a popular way to cool down. Tungsten inert gas produces the weld with a non-consumable tungsten electrode. Acrylic paint is water-soluble and polymer-based to prevent the lines from lifting off the pavement. Since it's water-based, it won't damage the surrounding areas. The bag wonton method lets you fill them a lot faster and get them ready in no time. Curtain raiser can seem a little roll, but it's essential for a play to run smoothly. To get these moves correct, the worker needs strength, but also a very good balance. Teamwork makes a job quicker and more enjoyable, and these two workers created the perfect method to make their task easier. These workers have a millimetric system to pack a whole book together. Bamboo is so hard and flexible that you can slide it down a slope with minimal effort. During the hot months of the year, pool cleaning must be double to prevent moss.